I'm Jenny. I'm your link between past and present tastes, bringing you a new retro recipe every week. This week, we're going to tackle the question of what to do with ham after Easter. Or, in my case, if you don't have a big enough family to warrant buying a ham, what can you make with canned ham? The answer, my friends, is in the Women's Encyclopedia of Cookery, Volume 6, published by Fawcett Publications in 1966 in the US. Let's do it! And there's your ham dip. Wow. It's salty, vinegary, a little sweet, and just delicious. Anyways, subscribe, like, and I'll see you next week with another retro recipe from Vintage Recipe Hero. Thank you. I can't stop eating this. This is the most unappealing tray, like color-wise, probably. You're gonna have to really ask people at the potluck you're bringing this to or family event. Ask them to try this because it is so good.